I wanted to let you guys know why I have 4 RotoPax here. You can save a lot of money by going to RotoPax directly and put the quick fist and the LEDs and run the wires, and we should be good to go. I got lights. That's the mullet panel. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Chasing Adventures. Finally, I got all the parts ready to be mounted onto the Orbis wing rack. Let me go over the couple of items with you guys and see what we have installed today. Alright, so the first item I got was the shovel. This is a smaller shovel, and I think this is one of the essential items you need to get you out of a sticky situation. So I got that. I got some quick fist clamps to mount the shovel, and I got some flood LED lights to brighten the side of the car, and some stainless steel bolts and washers to mount those. And I got a Fiskars Axe and the Roto Pax and the Roto Pax mounts. I got these off-brand from Amazon. They were a lot cheaper than the original Roto Pax, and I've seen good reviews of these, so I didn't feel the need to spend the extra money. And Roto Pax does have ones with the lock, but I heard so much horror stories about the lock being broken or sieged, and they couldn't get access to their gas tank when they need it. So I got this. Okay, so before we get to start mounting these, I wanted to let you guys know why I have 4 Roto Pax here. Now these are the 1.75 gallon gas tank that RotoPax sells. I couldn't find the 2-gallon tanks. For some reason they were unavailable on Amazon, and I think RotoPax themselves was out of stock when I was purchasing them. So I got the 1.75, and this is also 1.75 from Amazon directly, and this is supposed to be brand new. And as you can see, they have this label. And looking at the RotoPax carefully, I thought it was going to be much more cleaner, paying $80 per each one of these RotoPax, but I see a lot of blemishes, and it looked like it was an open box. Someone returned it. I don't know what the deal is, but see, even here, it looks like it was clamped on before or whatnot. So after ordering these, I found out if you go to RotoPax directly, they do sell blemish items for half of the price. So these were like almost $80, and I think I paid like $36 for these, each one of them. And with the shipping, it was still under $100, so it was a very good deal. And after looking at it close by and inspecting it, this blemish one actually looks better than the new one that they sell on Amazon. So these are getting returned, but I just want to show you guys the difference. And you can save a lot of money by going to RotoPax directly and buying their blemish items, which isn't all that bad. So let's get these mounted now. Okay, so first we're gonna mount the RotoPax mount. Typically you would mount this plating first and then put this on top, and then you put the RotoPax in between these, in between this, and you lock it. But since our rack wing already has a spot or a place for us to mount the bracket, so we're not going to be needing these. So let's open this section cup, get some air in there. And they do provide bolts. All we have to do is place them loosely, and we're going to find out what position works the best for us. So I think, and you also want to have the cap on top, so it'll be mounted like this. And I think I'm gonna mount the RotoPax this way so that I have room up here for my shovel, and my light's gonna go right here, like that, or here, it doesn't matter, but the light's gonna go here, shovel and the RotoPax. Because if I have it diagonally like this, this is gonna interfere with the shovel. So I think this is the only way I have access to both the RotoPax and the shovel. And the other side is gonna be the same thing. RotoPax is gonna go this way, and my axe, I think I have enough clearance to put the axe up here like that. Originally I want it down here, but it does interfere with the RotoPax. And if I put it here, it might interfere with the door opening, so gotta make it work somehow, right? So I think this will work. Since we figured how we're gonna mount this, now all we have to do is tighten these guys and put the quick fist and the LEDs and run the wires, and we should be good to go. Alright, and RotoPax is installed. That was pretty easy. And before you put the fuel in, they recommend that you hose the inside and water it out and completely dry it, and then put some fuel in, because they might have some debris in here and you don't want that going into the gas tank. Now for the quick fist, they do supply you with this, you could call it washer, and it has a little indent. And what I found, the best way to mount this is go with the stainless steel, because you're going to be mounting this on the outside, and just being outside, you don't want it to corrode. So I got the stainless steel, and this is the 10-24x1, and it fits perfectly flush with their supplied washers. So I got that, and I also got the stainless steel flat washer number 10, and the bolt will go right into this hole along with the washer. So you squeeze that in there like that. Okay. And the underside, you're gonna put this in, and you're gonna put a washer and nylon insert lock nuts. And this is also 10x24, so it matches the thread of these. And I got these at local Lowe's. So this will go in like that. It has a nylon backing, so it won't turn loose. And that's it. So we're gonna do that to all four, and then we're gonna mount it on the wing rack. All right, so all four is ready to roll, and let's get these mounted. All right, so first let's put the quick fist. So the washer we got, it's a little too small to cover this hole. It barely fits. See that? But don't worry, because we could use the bigger washer that came with this bracket for the Roto Pax. Since we're not gonna be using it, we could use that, and then we could use the smaller washer and then put the nut in, so it'll be more secured. So I put them loosely, and we're gonna find out exactly where we want it, and then we're gonna screw it down. So let's put my Roto Pax first, and then our shovel's gonna go right here. So once we figure out where we want it to mount, let's go ahead and use a masking tape, because in order to tighten these, there's a Phillips screw on top, so we need to hold that and then ratchet from the other side. So everything needs to come off, and when I move these, I'm afraid that they're gonna move around, so that's why we're putting the masking tape on. Okay, so the quick fists are mounted. Let's see if this works. It does still kind of hit the Roto Pax. Maybe I could go a little higher and tilt it down. So bring this up a little more and bring this down, so it'll be kind of angling up slightly, so it won't interfere and hit the Roto Pax. Let's try that. Still hitting it, so Now the only other option is to turn the Roto Pax slightly this way because it does kind of angle up like that. So in the other side it'll be angling down. So if I turn the Roto Pax slightly this way, I think it'll clear it. Yeah. Cool, since I have it angled now, everything's pretty even. It gives us enough clearance for the shovel, and the shovel doesn't hit the wing rack or the Roto Pax. So this is how it's gonna go on. But I'm afraid if I do this way on the other side, when the axe goes in there, it might hit the Roto Pax. So I'm thinking to put the axe backwards like this. Maybe I'll have to mount it like this. But we'll see. So far this side's good. So let's go to the other side. Oh, and before we go, let's see if we have enough clearance for the lighting to go into. Originally I was gonna put it here, but that was before the Roto Pax was here, so I couldn't get a exact measurement where the best placement for the light was gonna be. But I guess it's the only other option we have is right here. Yeah. So it's clear out of the way from the Roto Pax, and it gives us still enough lights. Well, since we're here, let's go ahead and mount this too. Alright, so everything's set. So I got the Roto Pax, got a shovel, the lighting is set up. All we have to do is run the wires later, and after we're done with that side, we're gonna bring the wire over here, connect it, run it through, and run it through our relay, and we should be good with the lights. But this is how it looks. And see this clearance, there's barely enough room for the shovel and the Roto Pax to not touching each other. So I think that's the setup that I'm gonna do. And let's see how it goes on the other side, and then we might adjust it, bring the shovel onto the other side or whatnot, but that's what it is. Alright guys, so everything is installed. I got the lights working, and the pots wire goes right behind here, above. See that little wire hanging? And the other side wire comes all the way through behind underneath the Thule bar, and gets connected to this pod. And then I have the wire running behind this rail all the way through and to the windshield. And it's tucked underneath here. And then I have the wire going all the way the engine bay, and gets tucked underneath this plastic piece, and then comes out and gets connected to my light switch. And then this is the other side. I got the Axe light bar and Roto Pax all installed. And I'll show you what it looks like with the lights on. And this is my light switch. So I have it as side. So click that. And there it is. I got lights. Same thing on this side. So the reason why I got side lights is, one, when you're overlanding or traveling in the woods in the dark, you have your vision in the front, but you have no vision on the sides. So with these lights, I'm gonna have vision on the side of the car too. And when I go into campground at nighttime, this will definitely help. It'll give me plenty of light for me to set up the camp. So that's the reason why I got it. So I got a few attachments for the moly pack. I got first aid kit, some pouch, and a water bottle holder because our Subaru doesn't have big enough cup holder to manage 32-ounce water bottle holder. So I got that, and it fits perfectly. And this is supposed to be an ammo catcher, but I'm using it as a trash can, some more pouch, and big pouch down there. So that's the mullet panel. So if you thought this video was helpful, please hit that like button for me. And this weekend we're going camping with a group of Subaru owners that I found on Facebook group. So it'll be a lot of fun. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you guys won't miss my next video when it's uploaded. And thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep chasing adventures. Bye now.